So, you're here to make assets, right? Well, I'm gonna teach you a series that I'm making. But I'm just going to be making one character and going through it step by step with you. I won't be talking much since, step by step. So, yeah, here we go. So, you don't really need all of this, but if you want, there are some bottles here that I made. And here are some things that I made for reference when I'm making my assets. Okay, first, when you're filling any bottle with liquid, get 2 rounded bumps on the square, and then make a gradient. I'm using a pink gradient for this one, and this one I'm gonna do a blue gradient. Okay, so for the tornado in a bottle, what you need to do for one of them, make a tornado inside. I'm adding loads of details, but you don't have to on your asset. And do the same for the bottom one. I'm just using these for reference. So yeah, these belong to their respective owners, their rightful and true owners. Just using them for reference. In the comments, I think I'll put where they came from. And then get your gradients, put them together by copying and pasting them into a picture, just so they're not in shapes. Put them behind the bottle. Like that. Put them together. Do the same with the bottom one. Now put the bottom one here. Top one here, but make sure they're together. Like this. copy and paste them together. I made this a few weeks ago. It's an elastic band to put them together. Almost finished with your tornado in the bottle. After you put your assets together, add some expressions. These can be made with some shapes. If you want, you can do it like put the expressions on first. It may be hard since one of them is upside down, but I have a trick. Put them together like this already to make a not yet finished pose. Twirl them around. And do the same as you did on the bottom. Look, he's sleeping. Also, if you happen to put this in anything on YouTube that you make, please just put me in the credits somewhere, because I made this character. I have a great idea for this. It took a kind of long time. So what I'm going to do, finish the pose here. put them all together for now. Flip. Here, my original character, tomato in a bottle. Okay, that's gonna wrap up this video. In the comments, don't forget to recommend the character. It might not be counted, but if you want to go officially, in the description, recommend. Recommend a character for me to create. It'll give you all the instructions in the Google Forms that I'll put. Bye.